Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure basics are ready: battery, network, and app permissions. Open WhatsApp now. Allow storage and contacts so messages and media appear. Once open, go straight to the Chats tab and scan for red badges, bold names, or pinned threads. This tells you where new message is live. If you use multiple devices, make sure you're on the primary phone or linked device. Doing this first prevents missing synced messages and speeds up the rest of the check process. Once done with initial scanning, dive deeper. Use the search bar to find messages by keyword, contact, or date. This locates hidden items fast. Make sure to open archived chats. Sometimes important threads hide there. Also inspect group settings and muted conversations, because muted groups still receive messages you might miss. For each chat, open the Media, Documents, and Voice Notes panels to verify attachments arrived. Doing these checks ensures you see everything, including media that doesn't show in the chat preview. To finish, make sure your messages are fully synced and backed up. Pull down on chats to force a refresh, or relink WhatsApp web and any linked devices so all devices match. Then go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and check the last backup time, backup now if outdated. If message is still missing, clear the app cache, update WhatsApp from the store, and restart your phone. These steps resolve most sync and display issues. If problems persist, reinstall as a final measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.